We're still on the glacier, but I couldn't stop myself from taking a short video of this beauty, how the water is formed on the glacier. It's not easy to walk. I don't have a sticks like my body. Yeah. I know, but I don't have a sticks to go there. I don't wanna. No, sorry. I don't wanna collapse here with the camera. No, I'm sliding. I cannot stay on ice. Can try, but man, it's not easy part. I don't have anything on me to walk on ice. Can try to get closer, but it's very slippery. No, it's like a glass. I can see it from here. Yep. Cannot be more pure than it here. It is here. We still go in that direction.